gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, then welcome. I'm very happy for you to be here with me today. And for this look, I tried something new. It's my first time attempting this kind of cut crease, and to be honest, I'm really happy with the way it came out because one, I have hooded eyes, so it's difficult to achieve cut creases, and second, I struggle with eyeliner and it came out really good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up so I know you did like it. I'm starting by priming my eyelids with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. The first color that I will be using as a transition is the color Purplish from the Morphe 35B palette, and I will be creating a wing with this purple shade. Now I will be blending the purple shade with this hot pink, which is named Bikini from the 35B palette. Going back in with the purple shade to add more of that purple shade in my crease, and to blend the edges of the pink shade I will be using this orange shade, which is named Puffs. Now I'm going back with the pink shade to make sure that it shows. I'm taking a cotton tip to remove all of the eyeshadow that was on my eyelid, and now I'm going back to cut my crease using the same Fit Me concealer. For the inner corner of my eyelids, I will be using this pretty pink shimmery shade, which is called Lollipop, and the outer part of my eyelids and in the wing I will go with this shimmery purple shade, which is named Pixie. Now for liner, I'm using the NYC Liquid Eyeliner in the color Black. And this is where I have a bit of difficulty because of my hooded eyes. I cannot do a full wing because it's gonna look crooked, if that makes sense. To pour my face, I will be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and after that, I will be color correcting with my e.l.f. Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Orange. For foundation today, I will be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the color Nutmeg, which I will be blending out using my Sonia Kashuk Damp Sponge. For concealer, I will be using again the e.l.f. Pro Conceal HD Concealer, but this time in the color Warm Honey to brighten up a little bit my face. And and I will be putting the concealer under my eyes, above my lips, my chin, my forehead, and my nose. Okay, this is a break. I was singing and feeling myself. To blend the concealer out, I will be using this cute little mini beauty sponge, which is also damp. I really love this concealer. Let me know down below what is your favorite concealer to highlight your face. Now, to set the highlighted areas, I will go in with my Spun translucent powder. And to set the remaining of my face, I will go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Dark. Oh, that was a lot of powder here. To contour, I will be using the BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush Palette, and I will also use the two pink colors from this palette as a blush. Now I'm going back with the color Purplish to finish my eye look. So this is the color I am applying to my lower lash line. And for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black as usual. This is my favorite mascara. I would like to know, what is your favorite mascara? Let me know down below. And to set my face, I'm using my spray, which is from Valjean Labs, and it is the One Glow Vitamin C plus Magnesium Facial Mist. To highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the color Molten Gold. For my inner tear dot, I will go in with this beautiful light purple shimmery shade from the BH Cosmetic Foil Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette. I will be setting my brow hair with the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the color Browny Brows. I will go ahead and line my lip with the Nikake lip pencil in the color brown. And for lipstick today, I will be using my MAC lipstick. I don't know the shade of this lipstick, I'm so sorry. And on top of that, I will be using my beauty supply store lip gloss. So this is the final look. I really hope you did enjoy this video, and like I said, it was kind of a challenge for me, but I'm very happy with the way it came out. I will keep on trying cut creases and some random colors and work this out and become more and more comfortable with cut creases. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, do not forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah.